Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type your device manager, and from the search results, click here to open it. On this window we need to expand display adapters, so click on this arrow to expand the display adapters. Right click on the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and select update driver. Once we're here, we need to select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close this window. Again, expand monitors, right click on the monitor, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Again, do the same process for this one also. Select the search automatically for drivers option and the best driver will be installed automatically. Now what do we have to do, we need to just go to search bar, type your cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select as, and we need to type your chkdsk and hit enter. So this process will take some time to complete the all the procedure, and we need to type in sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. Again, this command will take a lot of time, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. If you are doing this executing this command after a long time, then it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete process and to fix this issue permanently. So do this command, execute this command for sure, and yeah, after the each and every process we need to simply restart your system and problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.